guys, so I'm at the spot where I just was a couple days ago, and look at this. This pond is frozen over, and I was just catching them on moving baits. Which is pretty crazy, and topwater actually. My buddy caught one on a whopper plopper here like 2 or 3 days ago now, and look at it now. So I'm gonna have to change up my tactics a little bit. There's a bigger pond just on the other side of that hill there, so I'm gonna try my luck there. I don't think that I'm gonna have very much luck today. I was really hoping this pond wasn't frozen over, but it's already frozen over, unfortunately. So let's see if I can catch some fish today. Wish me some luck. Alright guys, let's start off with a moving bait. The reason I'm using a moving bait right now is because, yeah, the fish's metabolism slows down when the water gets cold, but the fish still need to eat. So that's why I'm using a moving bait. And the bait that they chase still has to swim pretty fast to get away, so the bass should be fine with some moving baits. I just need to make it go slow enough to where that blade is slowly spinning. I didn't end up catching any fish, and I ran out of time, and so I'm gonna go to Thanksgiving lunch or dinner right now, and then hopefully I have about an hour or so after Thanksgiving dinner to fish at another spot, because that spot was really bad. It was 90% covered in ice, which is kind of crappy now, but that's living in New England. So to be honest, I'm surprised it didn't freeze earlier. It had been like low 20s for a while now at night, so I mean, as expected, it was frozen over, I guess, and didn't catch any fish, but hopefully I can go to a bigger pond or a bigger lake, and that won't be frozen over yet, and hopefully I can catch a fish today to make this video a little bit entertaining for you guys. I'm sorry that I haven't caught a fish yet, but I'm doing my best here. The water is like 30 freaking degrees. What's up guys? I made it to the second spot today. I just finished my Thanksgiving dinner and it was good. Hopefully I can land at least one fish today. Just chilling. No way. I don't know what kind of duck that is. I think it's a female because it's not like a colorful one. I think the male ducks are the one that are colorful. Can you overfeed a duck? Like, does that make sense? There's so much bread here. Duck came to the right person. Alright, that's enough for the duck. I only have an hour, not even in it. Well, there goes half my crankbait, and it legit just split in half. I didn't even hit it in the water that hard. Huh. That's ridiculous.